In this video, I'll share the complete construction details that happened for 3 months. Now, this is a east facing site which is 30 by 40. The plan is like this. So ground floor to have a single BHK house along with a shop area, and then it is also going to have a space for car parking and bike parking as well. Now, first floor to second floor is going to be the duplex, where first floor is going to have a single bedroom house with a spacious living area, a spacious kitchen, a puja room, and the second floor is going to be 2 bedroom. So this is how the plan is going to be. So let me show you the complete steps that happened for 3 months, so that you can understand everything. And if you're somebody who is constructing a house, this will give you a lot more idea on how exactly the construction is going to happen, so that you can make sure that everything is going to be done in the right way. And at the same time, if you're somebody who is into civil industry and if you want to understand how things are done, again this will give the clarity as well. And again, for people who are just interested to know how everything happens, so this is a great way for you to understand the fantastic work that happens during construction. Okay, so again, here is the 3-month work which I'll be showing to you in 17 minutes. me share the plan of this ground floor. So this is where the parking area is, and this is where it is going to have the entrance for single bedroom house, and this is going to be the hall, and this is the kitchen. Now here is the washroom, and this is the bedroom. Now if you see this area, this is going to be the shop area. So this is how the ground floor plan is.
So let me explain the plan of this house. So ground floor is single bedroom house with one shop and car parking area. Once somebody comes to the first floor, so this is how it looks. And what do you see here? So this is the living area, and also you see the square section there. So that's the puja room, and you see the steps there, which is going to the next floor. Now that's going to make it as a duplex house, and in the second floor it is going to be 2-bedroom house. Now coming over here, so this is a spacious kitchen with also the attached dining area, and you could see this is very spacious. And right over there, so that's a bedroom. Now it has a attached
Bathroom.
just behind the stairs. Now you see there is a section behind that, so that's where the
Attached bathroom comes.
so this is how the plan of this house is. So comment below, what do you feel about this?